Welcome to my channel, and let's learn ListView in Android in under 4 minutes. We tend to forget the coding process in Android since the lines are too long and jargon and we don't fully understand the process. To prevent that, let's just consider an interesting analogy here. Now, the ListView essentially contains three main components: the ListView itself, the ArrayList, which contains the items, and the ArrayAdapter, which decides the appearance of the ListView. Now, ArrayList is just a collection of similar items, if you don't know that. Now, to never forget the coding process, let's take this analogy. Now, just consider ListView as a bookshelf, and we know that the ArrayList contains a collection of similar items. That is, we can relate it to the books. So the books are essentially put into the shelf. So the ArrayList is put in the ListView. Now, if you want to make the ListView look in a different way, or make the bookshelf appear in a different way, there's a variety of ways to do that. And in Android, we can simply use 3 to 4 main layouts, or we can create one if you have some advanced knowledge. But essentially, we can use simple list item 1, simple list item 2, simple list item 3 to decide the appearance of the ListView. So without further ado, let's get started through the coding part. Now, since ListView is a view, we need to find it. So we create a new ListView object. ListView is equal to find view by id r.id.listView. Now note that from Android version 4.0 and above, you can just use directly find view by id without needing to cast it. Now we need to, as I mentioned, create an array list with variable of strings. We can have it like double, integer, anything, but we'll just take strings. Is equal to, let's just say, array list to keep things simpler, is equal to new array list, and then that's about it. Then we need some items in the array list, right? So array list dot add, let's just add my name, Om Divyatej. Then we can just add your name. Let's just say view yours, and just add Ross, since it's my favorite character from Friends. Now we need to decide the appearance of the ListView. So as I mentioned, we need to use ArrayAdapter. So yes, use ArrayAdapter. ArrayAdapter is equal to new ArrayAdapter. This essentially means that we are talking about this activity, main activity.java. Now we need to decide the way it looks. So android.r.layout.simple list item. Let's just consider simple list item 1, and then we need to put the books in it. We can use that analogy here. So what do we have? What items do we need to arrange? The array list, right? So the array list, and that is about it. Since we have arranged the books, we need to put everything together. So we say ListView dot set adapter, because an adapter is totally different components, so we need to put it all together. So just set adapter, we need the array adapter here. So we say array adapter, and that is about it. Now we should run the app, and it should successfully work. Yeah, we see Om Divyatej, views, and Ross. So we see how easy it is. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you.